Okay, this is the Iodine Fingerprint Lab. Essentially what I'm going to do is take a 3x5 card. I'm going to hold it on the edges. And I'm going to cut it to width here. It can't be any wider than the mouth of the Erlenmeyer flask. But I don't want it too thin either, too narrow. So I'm going to measure this kind of by eye. I use the lines to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so now I've got my piece down here. I'm going to gather it up first, hold it by the edges, and use the hole punch to put a hole in the top. I'm going to rub my finger on the outside of my nose or my forehead to get some of the natural oils. Then when I roll my finger on here, I'm going to start on this side. It's actually best if you use it right on the edge of the table. I roll it. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side in case this one doesn't come out as well. I'm going to flip it over. I'll try a different finger for this one. Rubbing the outside of my nose, up around my forehead. Okay. I'm going to take a paper clip. Somebody's already made one for me. I'm going to hook it through. I'm going to use this to hang on the side of the Erlenmeyer flask. So here's my setup. Iodine is a solid at room temperature. I'm going to drop a couple of crystals in there. I've got the heat on. It's not going to take more than a couple. You can see it's already subliming. This part is not going to take very long. You're going to see how quickly it develops. Leave it in there too long. That'll probably do it. Okay. Now let's bring it back over and take a look at it, because I want to be able to identify what type of fingerprint I have. Is it a whorl? I don't know if that's going to work on the camera. Well, this part's not working very well, but that's essentially what it is. I can see from my own eye here. Let's see how close we can get it. Oh yeah, it does come out pretty well. Here we go. Okay, so that was a good one. I will point it out using the size of the scissors here. This is a whorl. Okay, you can see that there's a center, and then there are concentric rings that go around it. Okay, that was my right index. Let's see if it's different for the other finger, my left index. Let's see here, come on. This one did not come out as well. But I think it's also a whirl. Okay? So that's as simple as it gets for the developing your fingerprints using iodine as a reactant, essentially, to the oils in your finger. And the reason why we're doing this particular lab during this unit is that iodine is one of those substances, along with carbon dioxide and another one that you'll have to look up, that sublimes. Okay? All right. Take care.